All right, guys, let's see whether this monster is turning back on. I told you guys to update my software, and actually that's important. The lap timer, if you put it on race, okay, race mode, the lap timer won't work. It won't start if you don't put the latest firmware on the Ducati, okay? You have to upload the latest firmware, otherwise it will stay on zero and won't start. So GPS is important to have the marker here. Then you know the GPS is working, and you get the lap timer. Okay, side stand. I know it's not sexy, but I tell you, when I come back from laps and on a racetrack, and I'm really cooked, so I'm so tired. I don't have service, picking up my bike. I'm not Valentino or people like that. So having the side stand is going to save your life when you step out the bike when you're really done, and then you can wait a minute, take off your helmet, everything, and then you put it back in. I know it's not sexy, but we will improve. Actually, the tires are well done. They're not so good anymore. I can only do half a day in Jerez in November, and then I have to change this. This was as I check, this was an SC2, Pirelli Diablo SC2. It's actually a very good SC2. It's very good compromise. If you take the SC1 and it's not too hot, then you might have a better glue, better grip. Here SC2 also on the front works very well. If you have SC1 on the front, you will have to go much, or let's say quite faster into the corner, because SC2 is going to slow you down while you run through the corner and reach the apex, because it's so grippy and so gluey that it's going to slow you down. Okay, so take SC2 to start going faster and faster into the corner. And SC1 when you really believe that you become faster, and it's depending also on the temperatures. I'm going to make a video about, with a table, what temperature, what SC level, 2, 1 or 0, okay? And the 0 is really for races. It won't last so long. If you take the SC0, it will last only for races. And SC2 is working better on higher temperatures and has a better temperature range. SC1 works well from a certain range, like 20 degrees above, but when it gets too hot, it's negative again. So let's start this engine. Okay guys, I think it's working. Sounds good, sounds fat, not too little amount of fuel. It's fuel air mix, sounds very good to me for the moment. It's been repaired, not too bad. I think the bike is ready to try it again on the racetrack. It was completely destroyed. Not the frame, not the engine, that was okay, but fairings and everything. Quite a few parts were gone. Okay, folks, thanks again for watching the videos. I'll try to become more professional and to inform you more about racetrack informations with pressure, tire compounds, what temperatures you put what compound, and a little bit about the brakes, brake material, what kind of pads to use, okay, what kind of oil, kind of braking oil, stuff like that. And send questions. I'll put in information about my, WhatsApp stuff, so you can WhatsApp me and ask me the questions. Right. Thank you guys. Bye bye.